It'd be a great time to get a really good bonus. No pressure.
Don't be rude.
Rude. We're getting a tutorial on the Brian Christopher slot from the actual Brian Christopher.
Let's get it. Come on.
Can you just touch your face anytime and get the sound effect?
Yeah.
Here, let me try the... No.
Yeah. No, you can also press the button here. And this... Oh, wait a second. This will make Brian talk.
Pretty darn hot.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
Wow.
Yeah, you can just press it whenever you want to.
Hashtag Rudy's for life.
I love that.
Alright, come on, bonus. Let's
I
get that
played
bonus.
it, but I missed all that. I didn't know about the little Easter eggs.
Of course. And this, oh, these are our lucky wristbands, too.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I got one.
Alright, we got another one. Go.
Boom.
47.
That works. I missed all of this.
You didn't get
Oh,
any of
man.
this stuff?
No, I didn't have you to show me how to do it.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on. It's fun.
Alright, I'm gonna rapid fire.
I see from your videos, I know when you say rapid fire, it means you hit the button
Do it faster,
twice, right? Yeah. You get the more results. Very nice.
Oh, one off. Come on, line it up. Sometimes Brian will say rude and give you an extra Brian that you need.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
that's good. Come on.
Wow.
$78.
That's a lot of Brian's.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So you could say rude right now and give you a Brian here, which would be like a whole bunch of Brian. Come on. Let's go.
So the bracelet is just, it's just flare?
Yeah.
What
It's
oh,
my
that's
lucky-
cool.
My lucky wristband.
Oh my god.
Come on, coins.
There was a lot of thought put into this slot machine.
Yeah, a lot of different fun
It's
things.
more than just pushing a button, that's for sure.
I'm trying hard to bonus though. Come on.
So this is at the plaza. Where else do you have them? They're all over, right?
Yeah, they're in 30 different casinos right now.
Oh my gosh.
12 different states and 3 different cruises. 30, I think it's in 31 casinos now. Yeah.
And on cruise ships.
And on cruise
Oh my
ships.
goodness.
Yeah.
All right. Well, now I have to play this thing.
Come on. Bonus.
Don't spend your gambling allowance for this video.
Why? I want to
Just-
get a bonus.
I kind of want to see it too.
I think it's fair to say I'm addicted to my own game now. I have too much fun playing. Ooh, we're getting another one.
Boom.
Hopefully it's a big one now.
So the rocket thing is good. Boom. Can't break 50. The spins are $1.80 each.
I'm
That's a
doing
pretty good.
$18 a spin right now.
Oh, $18.
I was
Oh,
having
it's a
some fun.
10-cent denomination. Well, it's
But
nice to have
You can
options.
play as little as, I think it's 80 cents.
No, it's more fun to play Brian denomination.
You could do
Oh, 25.
$75 a spin is the max.
75 times 250.
Yeah. I like 18.
Well, I always recommend an uncomfortable denomination for a few spins. $75 would qualify as uncomfortable.
There we go. Okay.
Boom! Woo-hoo.
$158.
Thanks for having your people set that up, because now we really got to show that how that looks.
Say again?
Yeah, thanks for having your people set that up, so you won that.
Yes,
Yeah.
Everyone thinks that. I know. I know. One of these days I'm gonna hit the mega. I've never done a mega.
You make a phone call.
Yeah. $73.
Line it up.
Line it up. Come on, one more. Oh, so rich. It's a hard bonus to get, but it's so good when you get it.
And its column things are kind of expanding too.
Yeah.
This has, it's like you cherry picked all the cool things
did.
from a lot of different machines. You
I
know?
did.
Like,
And we're winning again. Here we go. Hopefully a bigger one. Get up.
let's go, Rocket. Roll up. At least break 50 this time. Come on. Go, go, go. Boom.
46. So that's stage one. It has to go up before it hits $50 up there. Stage
Oh, I
two
got
or
you.
Stage three.
Ah,
I've hit all three of them once today already. We were filming earlier. I got them all.
and now I gotta play this thing. Oh, if I could hit the mega and you haven't gotten it, that would be my claim to
There
fame.
you go.
That I out Christophered you.
Yeah. Come on.
So that's it. Brian Christopher's Pop and Pay. Boom! It's like a cavalcade of bonuses.
Stage one goes off a lot more frequently, as you can see. But maybe we'll get lucky and get a bigger one. I don't know. That's stage one right here. It goes up pretty frequently, though. It's good.
Thank you so much, Brian. You're the best. Thank you for now. How can I not play this thing?
Right?
Hashtag Rudy's Free Life.
Woo!
There you go.
Let's do it.
Do it.